The Ford Explorer EV, launched in 2023, features standard cruise control and optional adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control is typically available on premium trims and higher. Standard cruise control automates speed to reduce driver fatigue. Adaptive cruise control uses radar and cameras to maintain a safe following distance. Stay tuned to see how to use them. First, ensure your vehicle is in drive gear with the parking brake released. Accelerate to your desired speed, which must be above 25 miles per hour. Locate the cruise control on-off button on the steering wheel. It has a speedometer icon. Press this button to activate the system. Then press the set button, often labeled set or with a minus sign, to lock in your current speed. A cruise control indicator light will illuminate on the dashboard to confirm the system is now active and maintaining your set speed. Once cruise control is active, you can adjust the speed using the RES Plus and Set Matter buttons. Press RES Plus to increase speed and Set to decrease it. Each press usually adjusts the speed by 1 miles per hour. Haptic feedback for speed adjustments was added in a 2025 OTA update, version 4.2. Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, uses radar sensors and cameras to automatically adjust your vehicle's speed while maintaining a safe following distance from the car ahead. This system helps reduce driver fatigue on highways and improves safety. The following distance can be adjusted through the vehicle's touchscreen interface, usually range from 1 to 4 seconds. Shorter distances work well in light traffic, while longer distances provide more safety margin. ACC engages automatically once enabled in your vehicle settings. It will then use the sensors to monitor traffic ahead and adjust your speed accordingly, even bringing the vehicle to a complete stop if necessary in stop-and-go traffic. If cruise control is canceled by braking or pressing the cancel button, you can resume the previously set speed by simply pressing the BRH Plus button on the steering wheel. The vehicle will automatically accelerate or decelerate back to your set speed. One way to cancel cruise control is to lightly tap the brake pedal. Another way is to press the cancel button on the steering wheel. You can also deactivate cruise control by pressing the on-off button. The indicator light on the dashboard will turn off, confirming deactivation. Cruise control requires minimum speeds to engage: 25 miles per hour for standard cruise control and 20 miles per hour for adaptive cruise control. Watch for software glitches, particularly in cold weather below 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Most of these issues were resolved by patches in the second quarter of 2025. A recall in late 2025 addressed abrupt disengagement issues at high speeds, fixed through an over-the-air update. Remember that adaptive cruise control requires a subscription for full features in some regions.